He did. Never was able to. I think he locked one submission attempt on him, you know, and Salim just, in the stand-up, I thought he was just, you know, kind of big brothering him. He was just pushing him around, knocking him around. And on the ground, when they got to the ground, I thought Salim landed some good strikes that actually, you know, made it to where, hey, you know, if you're going to go for the submission attempts, he's beating you up on the ground. You better lock that thing and make it close. Yeah. And I never saw that happen, and so I thought that Salim Mukhiddinov had won the fight, and I was really surprised.